Smash and crack.
Execute a jump and soul while making holy in Ghana. Because when it comes to production in South Africa, Smash and Grab United, we simply the best out of the rest. Yes, if a boy try to test, we must get vexed. Put it right and say so. Anytime we come Smash and Grab, right about 2020, 2021, we're going to take the title. South African Airwaves, get ready. Because Smash and Grab United, we're ready to set the blaze. Set the blaze, set it ablaze again, all the airwaves. Rastafari, put it right and say so. Let's see I
Mina yashisa beating, keep on my heat and my king. Fanana down and shy you waiting, she said in my feet. Back in the days I remember shying on the strategy. And do the hell I don't get fed when I'm a cheated I see. Putting the keep up easing up with a pellet of toxin. Who is you guys are the body so good in your feeling. There is something you so much, your performance in me. Yes, it's for something cool, and some show na send me. Decided to la pena, putting dog repella. Honey, daddy, this keep out on passive beating Dr. Pena so entertainment with faith with the pool men and people lam. Yan lang say long bonang ya move us vela titsatam ya tetela causing son getting zulela batang pam batok chela good si low to pool men you can say right last in zela bune rap katin nigela love and happiness
Tando Ninja Bulo.
yeah
Something that can make you do wrong, make you do right. Tando Ninja Bulo. Tando Ninja Bulo. Tando Ninja Bulo.
Smash and crack.
Tando Ninja Bulo. Something that will make you do wrong, make you do right.
love and happiness
Tando Ninja Bulo. Ispunelu Tando Ninja Bulo.
something that can make you do wrong make you do right. Love and happiness
Ispunelu Tando Ninja Bulo. Ispunelu Tando Ninja Bulo.
Now I got love and happiness sukela kudala ngifuna uthando nenjabulo stimela sakijima konga kukholula people wanna ride ubabona ngenjabulo celebrating uthando lalemculo from way back thina senza isifungo uthi sophikisana noma ku rock changes izinto wrong zibe right all these years lot of things are happening I believe in God from the beginning istalo nisiphetho sephambili when you were born with my victory
Something that will make you do wrong, make you do right.
love and happiness
Tando Ninja Bulo. Ispunelu Tando Ninja Bulo.
something that can make you do wrong make you do right. Love and happiness
Ispunelu Tando Ninja Bulo. Ispunelu Tando Ninja Bulo. My friends and men, I don't beef nobody. My girlfriend is hot when kumfazi wako pari. Staging ya pressa nkafula kwenhlatu. When I see my fans go crazy mangundu. Cause they make my life so good. I don't worry about you. My friends and my family moon is all I need. It makes that family bond. KM and the love so strong. Peace to my niggas smash and crack. Peace to my niggas play and cage. This is what it is. Something that will make you do wrong, make you do right.
love and happiness
Tando Ninja Bulo. Ispunelu Tando Ninja Bulo.
something that can make you do wrong make you do right. Love and happiness
Ispunelu Tando Ninja Bulo. Ispunelu Tando Ninja Bulo.
I got joy, love and happiness. Of course my grace is sufficient to lead me in a good path of righteousness. God is carrying me in his right hand. He said do what you wanna do, but the name Christ will pull you through. I shall fear no evil. If his life is not possible, he will make it possible. Hey, Naman. injabulo, namanja, injabulo.
Something that will make you do wrong, make you do right.
Love and happiness.
Luthando nenjabulo, sifuna luthando nenjabulo.
Something that can make you do wrong, make you do right. Love and happiness.
Sifuna luthando nenjabulo, sifuna luthando nenjabulo.
Love and happiness.
Gangali, still I want to show you because you see this is Gangali, Sheikh Gangali production.
Make you do wrong.
Yeah man, Sheikh Gangali, I was the manager of Gangali production for 5 years. And me working at Theta FM. This is site and works man, right here. This is my song. This is yeah, man. Right about me there with Elder Tau Tau, you know Tau Tau, the president of RUF, Rasta United Front. This is me in a Deben tour. I told me I do in a Deben, just musically. Yeah, so man, me fight for ganja legalization in South Africa, Azania. You see, I smoke ganja right in front of Chief Justice Mukwege man. Joan, watch me man. Me not tell no lie man, Selassie guy that I know.
Yeah man, we proof.
Yeah man. Watch me burn ganja right in front of the magistrate court and watch the Babylon vehicle behind. You understand? True, them have to give later if you burn ganja. True, you have to see me and policeman them, Babylon them give a satisfaction, man. I say. After me smoke ganja right in front of the chief magistrate, you know. One more line. And I watch no face, man. You want to take a little clip, man, because you are there with the bad gun, you know.
Yeah, I'm just in the camera.